7 o'clock on Friday afternoon. Walking around in the office here. We just get a lot of boxes here. A lot of boxes just came in the mail today, right off the press. Hot off the press is our brand new books, 35 reasons you can sell your home in today's real estate market for top dollars in your time. So I've been getting a lot of requests over the past 12 months. Over the past 12 months, we serve over 1,000 families who's buying and selling homes. And then this is our 2019 package, just came on the mail. Over 5,000 sets of this hard copy, and I want to send it to you. If you're a homeowner and you're ever thinking of selling in today's real estate market, and the real estate agents are telling you that, whatever you hear on the market, but based on my story over the past 12 months, we negotiated over $500 million, over $400 million in real estate transactions here in the area. Put together a package here at 35 reasons why, and this is just right off the press here. So all you need to do, call 626-789-0159. Again, to request a free copy of this book, 35 reasons you can sell your home in today's real estate market. All you need to do, call 626-789-0159. We have over 35,000 buyers looking to buy homes here in the area. Edward, you're still in the office?
Yes, but to head out.
What time is this now?
7:50.
Almost 8 o'clock on Friday evening. Edward here in the office. Edward, I'm talking about our brand new book here.
Right.
35 reasons you can sell your home for more dollars. We have about 5,000 copies just came in the mail. But let's talk about a couple of reasons. I know you're heading back home, but then you help a lot of homeowners selling their homes. Let's talk about one of the reasons why owner of the house thinking of selling their home in today's real estate market should grab a copy of this book.
Right. We have a lot of strategies getting our sellers client home sold fast for top dollar, and we have 35,000 cash buyers in our database.
So reason number one is we have over 35,000 buyers who's looking to buy homes here in the area. Hey, can you talk more about it? Like, what does it mean? It sounds too good to be true, right? You have 35,000 buyers? Like, you gotta be kidding, right? Most real estate agents, they put a for sale sign and they advertise in the newspaper looking for buyers.
Correct. Yes.
So let's talk more about chapter 1 here when we talk about we have over 35,000 buyers in our database, because it sounds like you are just made it up.
Right. Yes, we actually done a lot of advertisings on the market online. So we actually already been working before we're meeting the seller's client.
Yeah, so most of our buyers, so on the book here, we talk about either buyers came from the radio,
correct,
the billboards, what else?
Yeah, we're on 6 different radio stations.
Yeah, 6 different radio stations, the billboard. So the buyers, the for sale sign, the billboard. So as the buyers come in, our investors club, actually we create more millionaires. Our VIP clients, more millionaires in that investors club, been going on since 2007. So that's how we gather a database of over 35,000 buyers who's looking to buy homes here in the area. Once the buyers come inside here, then what happens is that our inside sales team call them, check the timing motivation. If they're ready to buy now, then they booked it to our outside sales team. Then every day, we are showing them homes that match their criteria.
That's right.
What else, Edward, for people who's thinking of selling their home, why they should? If you want a copy of this book, you can comment below. I can send it a PDF file, probably faster. I'll send it a PDF file for free. If you're just curious, comment below, put below your email. Put below your email. But if you're serious about thinking of selling your home, call 626-789-0159. I'll put it in a box. Do you have the box, Edward? So everybody gets an idea what will be. Edward here is about to head home. Jason is talking about our 35,000, and it's increasing every day, Jason. Okay, so we're going to put it in a nice package like this. If you're really thinking of selling your home in the next, put it up, Edward, put it up. If you're really thinking of selling your home in the next 3 to 6 weeks, basically right now, not 6 months from now, not next year, but like right now in today's real estate market, I'm gonna give you a brand new copy of our book, 35 Reasons Why to Sell Your Home in today's market, in your price, in your time frame. Today is January 2019. We have over 35,000 buyers in waiting, and I'm gonna give you a box. And in this box here, our secret box. What's in our secret box? Don't show it. It's a secret. It's a secret, man. It's a secret. That's why we say it's a secret. We show it to them. Yeah. Okay, so what's inside that package? What's inside that box?
It's a big surprise.
It's basically showing you how you're gonna net more money when you sell in today's market. Right. And check it out. This is our TC team. Check it out. Who is this? Oh, look. This is Katarina. How many files are you closing today, Katarina? Today is Friday. Look at all that.
Today I'm closing one.
How many files you're working on now?
A lot.
Like how many? A lot.
A lot, like, I don't know.
35, 40?
No, not that much.
Yeah, how many?
20 something.
So 20 something files. Katarina is how many closing this month or these 2 weeks this month?
It's gonna be, I have another 8 more closing.
8 closing this week. So Katarina is very busy. Are you heading home? We are heading home. I'm going home. But if you're thinking of selling your home in today's market, comment below. I'm going to send you a PDF file copy of the 35 reasons. If you are thinking of selling right now in today's market, give me a call. 626-789-0159. Your home may already been sold.
Yes.
And I'm going to send you our secret package here that you can see how you're going to net more money and getting it sold in your time, with no hassle, no drama, right? Right? That's basically it. Just getting it sold in your time. Call 626-789-0159. And anything else, Edward, to share?
We open 7 days a week, ready to serve our clients.
Oh yeah, including this Monday, MLK. Yeah. Right? Our office is open this week, Monday, 626-789-0159. Get a copy of this book fresh off the press. Just get the copy today.
So hot.